Okay, now we're going to examine this Merchant Navy class Lambert and Holt line 35026 BR locomotive with Southern Region BR coaches, running number 34157, 15021 and 15023, the Royal Wessex, Waterloo, Weymouth. The box is not great, as you can see. Apparently it's DCC ready, and online it says it's a limited edition. A decent one on eBay is just listed for 180. I'm going to give it a run, find out whether there's had a chip put in it. The only fault I can find on it is this sticky mark here and on the inside of the smoke deflectors and on the top. So I've taken some decent photographs of it for eBay, but I like to do my videos as well. Made in China, good detailing. As you can see, the box is a little bit shabby. Again, the extra detailing seems to have been added. Say the steps there need a little bit of straightening, possibly some WD-40 or something or other there. The coaches are immaculate. Very, very nice. Buffers, couplings, wheels, got metal wheels. No evidence of any pickups for lights inside, but a little bit of detailing on the windows. No smoking. Not sure what that is. I'm not entirely convinced by this valve gear. It looks like it may have been a little bit squished at some point, but hopefully it will run and the buyer can just tidy that up if they feel they need to.